Check out this 2012 Honda Civic. Welcome to North County Ford, a premier full-service dealership located for your convenience in Vista, CA. We appreciate your consideration of our dealership for your Ford needs in the North San Diego County area. As a customer, you have a lot of choices when it comes to dealerships, but we are confident that North County Ford is bringing you the best possible selection of both new and pre-owned Fords, quality Ford service, and an unbeatable commitment to customer satisfaction. After all, we have almost 15 years of experience standing behind us, ensuring that at North County Ford, you and your vehicle are treated right. Contact the dealership today at 800-619-3940.